A multi-million-dollar art heist has shocked Jamaica. 10 priceless paintings, including works by the legendary Barrington Watson, were stolen in a daring break-in. Who orchestrated this brazen act, and can these irreplaceable treasures be recovered? Barrington Watson, one of Jamaica's most celebrated artists, is renowned for his vivid portrayals of Jamaican life. Educated at the Royal College of Art in London, Watson's works have been showcased globally and even featured in films like Bob Marley's One Love. Now, some of his most valuable pieces have vanished in a crime that has stunned the nation. The heist occurred on Saturday evening in Kingston at the home of Watson's former wife and son. Reports state that the thieves struck while both residents were home, likely using chemicals to incapacitate them. The family woke to find the paintings gone, including large pieces that would have required at least 2 people to remove. The stolen works were carefully selected, with other valuables left untouched. Among the missing paintings is Orange Park, a stunning depiction of the family's former home in Yallahs, St. Thomas, and a piece featured in the film One Love. Other works include contributions from noted Jamaican artist Lois Lake Sherwood. Art theft is an unusual crime in Jamaica, but globally, stolen works are often sold on the black market or hidden in private collections. Experts warn that recovering these pieces will be a challenging task without proper leads or documentation. This incident has raised questions about the security of Jamaica's cultural treasures. Experts recommend installing security cameras and tracking devices on valuable items. Art collectors are also advised to verify ownership when purchasing pieces to avoid unknowingly acquiring stolen works. This heist is a wake-up call to prioritize the preservation of Jamaica's cultural heritage. If you have any information about the stolen paintings, please contact the authorities immediately. Together, we can help recover these priceless treasures and ensure that Jamaica's artistic legacy remains intact. What do you think about this shocking art heist? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story.